Our education system is failing. Over 11 crore school-aged children can't read a paragraph of text in their mother tongue. 41.1% of students studying in the 5th grade lack the reading skills expected in the 2nd grade. There are hurdles in our education system that are stopping our children from realizing their potential. Certain people might see the black dot like a full stop, but some see beyond the full stop. They have the vision to spot an opportunity to cause disproportionate change.
The government was putting enough money behind infrastructure, the government was putting enough money behind appointing teachers, but really the skills required of the leaders of these institutions in order to improve the institution, there was a huge underinvestment.
Piramal School of Leadership aims to change the quality of education in public schools by training the headmaster with modern educational tools and leadership skills. This will impact student learning outcomes, which results in better educated students who grow up to make the most of opportunities in a growing India.
The key thing we realized is that all the relationships that the headmaster as a leader have ossified. The headmaster needs to have a relationship of influence with the children, with the teachers, with the parents, and essentially with himself. He's lost his pride in his work, he's lost the joy in his work, he's lost the meaning in his work. The key thing that our program does is help recreate the sense of meaning, joy, pride and learning in the headmaster.
हमें लगा कि अरे हेडमास्टर को तो हम बदल देंगे, हमने तो ये बड़ी-बड़ी चीजें की हैं कॉलेज में, इतने सारे लोगों के साथ काम किया है। पहले दिन जब स्कूल गया तो असलियत सामने आई कि हाँ, जो हेडमास्टर मुझसे बात नहीं करना चाह रहा, मेरी बात नहीं सुनना चाह रहा, तो मुझे लगा रियली कि इम्पैक्ट इतना आसान नहीं है।
The Principal Leadership Development Program, spread over 4 years, transforms the traditional headmaster to a motivated change agent committed to achieving results. The headmasters are initiated to modern teaching methods, encouraged to create a vision and change attitudes of children.
PSL में मतलब कार्यशाला होने के बाद में हमें यहाँ पर हर चीज़ अच्छी प्रकार से सीखने को मिल रही है, चाहे खेल हो, चाहे अन्य गतिविधियाँ हो, मतलब अच्छे ढंग से यहाँ पर बना हुआ और यहाँ का वातावरण वो एक शिक्षा नगरी के रूप में हमें जाहिर होता है, तो हम भी आत्मीयता से यहाँ पर सीखने का भरसक प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि पूरे दिन शिक्षा के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखें।
हेडमास्टर्स में इस प्रोग्राम से जुड़ने के पश्चात उनकी जो लीडरशिप की क्वालिटी है काफ़ी डेवलप हुई है और एक टीम भावना के साथ वो लोग स्कूल्स में काम कर रहे हैं, और जब टीम भावना के साथ स्कूल्स में काम होगा तो निश्चित रूप से वो काम बेटर होगा।
Imagine this happening across 82 million school seats in over 1.5 million government schools, and you build momentum for large-scale transformation. PLDP was started in 2008 with 100 pilot schools in 2 districts of Rajasthan. Today, PLDP reaches out to headmasters in over 787 schools across 5 districts in Rajasthan from the state-of-the-art Piramal School of Leadership.
पहले होता था कि हम कोई धर्मशाला या फिर कोई ट्रस्ट या फिर कहीं पे हमें जगह ढूंढनी पड़ती थी, जो कि जिसमें बहुत सारे लॉजिस्टिक इश्यूज होते थे। तो इश्यूज होने की वजह से हमारी वर्कशॉप कई बार हम बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट देना चाहते थे या बहुत अच्छा करना चाहते थे, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कमी रह ही जाती थी।
Piramal School of Leadership is designed to encourage free thinking and has an open door approach to innovation and ideas.
The entire school has been built around adult learning pedagogy. There's so much science which tells you that adults learn from each other, not from a central authority. Each principal has already solved most of the problems. If there's a problem with community engagement, if there's a problem with managing teachers, someone already knows the answer. That was the entire purpose of design behind PSL, to create a lot of open spaces, light collaborative spaces, interaction spaces. You could not run away and be a private person. You could not wait for answers. You had to engage with people.
पिरामल स्कूल ऑफ लीडरशिप की सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि ये उसने एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है कि जहाँ पे बहुत सारे नंबर ऑफ हेडमास्टर्स एक साथ आ सकते हैं, जबकि पहले जब हम वर्कशॉप करते थे तो 20 हेडमास्टर्स की एक ब्लॉक पे होती थी। अगर आप समझ लीजिए 50 ब्लॉक में एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट पे काम हो रहा है तो 100 हेडमास्टर्स एक जगह आ सकते हैं और उनकी क्रॉस लर्निंग, उनकी शेयरिंग, उनकी अचीवमेंट, उनकी पॉजिटिविटी एक मतलब 100 लोगों तक पहुंच सकती है, तो वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन बहुत नंबर पे हो सकता है।
At the Piramal Foundation for Education Leadership, we have really been trying to create an institution which is going to create leadership capacity in the field of education in India. Problems are immense, and of course that means that we really have to do anything that we do at scale.
Piramal Foundation for Education Leadership is working closely with officials of state government education departments, like-minded corporate bodies, to take this initiative to over 35,000 government schools in Rajasthan and over 1 million in India.
Government of India has created a center called National Center for School Leadership under the National University of Education Planning and Administration, which is responsible now to ensure curriculum to help state build the cadre of education leaders. We are mentor to NUPA. We are in National Advisory Group to the NCSL by sharing our learnings which we have from this program.
No longer is basic reading, math, and a little bit of science going to be adequate to survive in the 21st century. You are going to need the ability to be creative. You're going to need empathy and emotional development. You're going to need social skills. You're going to need the ability for teamwork and collaboration. You're going to need entrepreneurship, risk-taking, and resilience. Unless we teach kids these skills, they're going to be practically defunct in the 21st century. The Harvard Graduate School of Education is trying to map from across the world the best curriculums for 21st century skills. And so we are the South Asia hub. We tied up with Harvard, along with schools in China, Singapore, Israel, Brazil, Chile, and Mexico, in order to map the best curriculums across the world for 21st century skills so that we can then bring them to India. Similarly, we also tied up with New York University in order to see what are the best ways to assess such skills.
For me, PFEL is really laying the foundation for helping India realize its demographic dividend.
Piramal School of Leadership is now like my first home.
अगर मैं इन शॉर्ट कहना चाहूँ तो ये मेरे लिए इनर और आउटर जर्नी है।
पहले जो मैं कुछ कर रहा था तो मीनिंगफुल नहीं लगता था, अब मीनिंगफुल लगता है।
This is my life, this is my passion, this is my commitment.
Honestly, it's my life's work.
That's what I am at the Piramal Foundation for. I believe we can make a great difference in the years to come.
When 350 million young adults have access to quality education in schools, each of them will realize their full economic potential. And when that happens, India's rise will have no full stops.